guys, you know that I make videos about Scratch, right? So today we're gonna do a new coding game called MakeCode Arcade. So if you want to go there, you can just type MakeCode Arcade. Then you'll see a Microsoft MakeCode Arcade right here in my cursor. Just press it. Then you can go to your Then you could name your project. So far I'm just gonna put in my name. That's it. So first you have to go to this on start button, right? You see right here. This is the key code because it will do the entire thing, and it will also make control of the game. So first you can go to sprites. Then you see you set my sprite to sprite kind of player. Get this and put this on the on start button. Then you have to press this big square, and now you can actually, I think, choose your character. I'll just choose I'll choose this character. So if you want to name your character, you can name it. I will say Knight. Okay. Now you see this knight, right? But when I do this, it's not doing anything. We don't know why. So you have to go to, I think, controller, yeah. Then you have to get this thing. It says move my sprite with buttons. Put it there. But something's wrong. It said there's a triangle there. What's that? So it's because it has to be with Knight because it won't work, because it has to be like the same name. Now we can move our character. Oops! The character got out of screen. What do we do? So we have to go to sprites. We have to roll a little bit. Then you see set my sprite to stay in the screen, and now it's on. Okay? Now see, when I move right here, bong, it doesn't let me allow to go out of the screen. Now you could add a background. So I think the background is maybe not here. Maybe I'll just the background. If you want to put a background, you can do it. So I think you might have to go on maybe controller or sprite. It's not in controller, it should be in sprite. Go all the way down, go up. No, not that. Let's see. Maybe it's in the game. The background. When you do a background, you can actually do it, but it's going to be hard. Go to gallery. You can choose a background right here. But this won't work. I have no idea why, but it won't work. So I have to go undo. So if you do something wrong, you can undo it. Okay? So we should go to block, and maybe we might see the background in sprites. Background. it's also okay. We're gonna do the background later. So if you want to do some music, you can do it. Then you can make a music. This is the lowest beat and this is the highest beat. So you do that, do this. So if you want to make a music, you can do it. I'm just going to do the lowest to highest. Now I'm done. Do you like the melody? So if you want to do that, you have to go to music. So I'm just going to delete it because I don't want any music. The background. Let's see scene. So we finally found the background. You have to go to scene. So set background image to blank, but we have to go on the top. Now we just press this box, and now you could go to gallery and choose your background. Choose right here. Then we have to press done after you're finished with your background. Now you have to wait a little while. And see, you have a background with your moving character without saying on the screen. Yay! But what does these A and B buttons do? We want them to do something, right? So we have to go on controller. So let's go on A button press, but we can't do it inside the on start button though. So then you have to go to sprites and go to effects right here. So then you could set, then when you press the A button, it will start the spray effect. See, it's spraying. It's spraying. So if you want to stop it, you have to go there. Stop the simulator. Then you go up. If you want to do a B button press, you have to go on the controller. It's on A button press, so you have to change it to B button pressed. Then we can go to sprites and we can do effects right here. Then you could do something like maybe fire. So if you press the B button, it will do fire. See? So that's it. So there's one more thing I want to show you. You can make the character talk, like here. So you have to set night, say something. I'm just going to say hi. Just let me say. See, it says hi. Roar. So that's it for today's video of the MakeCode Arcade. Bye-bye. So the next MakeCode Arcade game is going to be how to draw or make your own sprites. Okay? See you later. Bye-bye, guys.